Hi everyone, so today I made some gluten-free, sugar-free, egg-free carrot muffins. These are the healthiest muffins you'd love to eat each and every day. Now, instead of eggs, I used some flaxseed powder. So 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder and 3 tablespoons of water, if you mix, is equal to 1 egg. Now I used 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and then added 6 tablespoons of water to the flaxseed powder and mix well. I let it sit for 5 minutes. Then I grate 2 medium carrots and put all the grated carrots in a bowl, and then add the flaxseed mixture and 3 teaspoons of maple syrup and 1/4 cup of honey. I mix it and then added 1 cup of oat milk. I continue mixing and add 2 cups of gluten-free rolled oats and 2 cups of gluten-free almond flour, and added 1 cup of gluten-free baking flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I added another 1/4 cup of oat milk and a pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I mix it very well, and then I scoop everything into a muffin baking tray and then sprinkle slightly blended walnuts on top. And then I preheated the oven at 450 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 minutes. Look at the outcome. It looks so nice and it was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you a million times.